Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix CS2 workshop maps do not appear on workshop maps folder. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here is to completely close Steam or CS2, and then you just need to go to community workshop, and then you sort it out by your games, look for CS2, and then you need to make sure that the workshop map that you're trying to subscribe is not CSGO but CS2. So if we scroll down here and look for most subscribed, second map is Aimbots. As you can see here, it's for CSGO. So usually when you go on the description, you can see that there is Aimbots for CS2. So you just need to click for CS2 and then subscribe for CS2. And then once it's subscribed, downloads should appear and your map should be downloaded. And then run the game and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, the game is still not appearing. What you need to do here is to go to library, then you need to go to CS2, then go to properties, and then here under the launch options, you just need to write -insecure, right? And then look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, you need to make sure that workshop map is, when you're subscribing, is downloading, and also you need to make sure that there is some free space on your PC and your workshop map can be downloaded, and also make sure that CS2 is updated as well. And then if we go in game and press play, as you can see here, there is that particular map that we just subscribed. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.